Are you the target of false sexual misconduct statements on Twitter and you want to make it go away? By the end of this video, you will learn what to do if false sexual allegations are made about you on Twitter. And we're starting right now. Hi, I'm Melanie Hughes, a paralegal here at Minc Law, the nation's leading law firm when it comes to dealing with online defamation and harassment. In this video, I'm going to talk about the recent emergence of sexual misconduct allegations on Twitter, steps to take if you are falsely accused, your options to remove the accuser's tweets or account, when to seek legal help if you are accused of sexual misconduct on Twitter, and lastly, the legal actions you can take to protect yourself against these false allegations. In recent years, social media platforms such as Twitter have become a hotspot for individuals to call others out for sexual misconduct. One prime example is the MeToo movement on Twitter and other social media platforms. The hashtag MeToo was actually started on Twitter by actress Alyssa Milano. She used the phrase and hashtag in a now viral tweet suggesting all women who have been sexually harassed or assaulted use the phrase MeToo as a status on social media to give people a sense of the magnitude of the problem. Since then, thousands of tweets have used the hashtag MeToo. In addition, anonymous users have created Twitter accounts for the sole purpose of broadcasting sexual misconduct confessions and stories by victims. While sexual assault allegations against celebrities and other well-known individuals take center stage in the media, everyday individuals have also been accused of sexual misconduct and harassment on Twitter. Not all of these allegations are true, and this brings up a serious problem, knowing what to do if you are falsely accused of sexual misconduct online. Sexual misconduct allegations should be taken seriously and investigated. If untrue allegations about you surface on Twitter or any social media platform, we recommend taking the following steps to minimize damage to your reputation. Do not respond to the allegations and do not engage further with the accuser. Responding to an attack can make the situation worse, draw unwanted attention to the matter, and possibly harm your future case against the accuser. Control your emotions. Do not make rash decisions based on your emotions. It's important to keep your cool so you can think clearly. Preserve the allegations and any other relative content. Take screenshots or preserve the content containing the allegation using a preservation program like PageVault. This evidence becomes important should you decide to pursue legal action against your accuser. Assess any possible motives for the accusation. Start brainstorming what possible motivation this person could have to falsely accuse you of something. This will come into play when speaking to an attorney about the best strategy to help you. Document the timeline of events and compile a list of possible witnesses. An attorney may ask you for a detailed timeline or account of events surrounding the allegations. They may even request a list of witnesses to help refute false claims with eyewitness testimony. Later in this video, I will discuss the legal actions you can take to help restore your good name. Before hiring an attorney to discuss your legal options, you can try to remove the accuser's tweet or report their account to Twitter for violating Twitter's policies. In order to attempt to remove the tweet, you will need to report it to Twitter. Twitter allows its users to report tweets that violate its rules. To report a specific tweet, click on the three little dots located at the top of the tweet, select Report Tweet, and then select the reason you are reporting it. You can also try reporting the entire account the same way if you think it violates Twitter's rules. When you report a tweet or an account to Twitter, your submission will stay anonymous. Once a report is submitted, you will receive a confirmation message from Twitter within 24 hours. It may take a few days or weeks for Twitter to review your report due to the large volume of users and reports. If Twitter agrees that the tweet or account violates its policies, then Twitter's moderation team will take action, ranging from a warning, removal, or permanently suspending an account. It's important to note that the removal of the tweet or account may not completely solve your issue. There is a chance that your accuser could continue making false allegations by creating another account or going to an entirely different platform. Lastly, keep in mind that removal of a tweet or user being banned from Twitter is rare. If reporting is unsuccessful, talk to an experienced internet defamation attorney about your options going forward. If you are falsely accused of sexual assault, rape, or other sexual misconduct on Twitter, there are legal actions you can take to defend yourself. First and foremost, if you know who your accuser is, sending a cease and desist letter is often a good first step at attempting to remove and put a stop to the false allegations on social media. A cease and desist letter is a tool that an attorney can use to demand that a person stop unlawful, unethical, or otherwise objectionable behavior and refrain from continuing that behavior in the future. It's important to note that if not done correctly, a cease and desist letter may be ignored or lead to even greater exposure of the false allegations. This is known as the Streisand effect. If you are facing an anonymous accuser, filing a John Doe lawsuit can help you uncover their true identity. Once you know the identity of your accuser, you can proceed with other legal options like a defamation lawsuit. In addition to identifying your anonymous accuser, a defamation lawsuit may help you achieve removal of the content through a settlement or court order, and possibly obtain damages for your emotional distress, loss of reputation, or out-of-pocket expenses. If you have been falsely accused of sexual assault on Twitter or anywhere online, you should seek legal help immediately. Even if you feel like these allegations are completely fabricated, these types of accusations can have long-standing consequences, such as shame and embarrassment, the loss of a job or other employment opportunities, the expulsion from school or other denied entry to a college, and the loss of support from your family and friends. It's important to seek legal help right away. Here at Minc Law, we see these types of situations time and time again. We have assisted countless clients with false allegations online and have proven success removing untrue sexual misconduct content on Twitter. Whether it's sending cease and desist letters or filing defamation lawsuits, we can help you fight back against these false claims. I hope I have brought you some peace of mind when it comes to false sexual misconduct on Twitter and the options available to you. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our channel for more information about online defamation and content removal issues. This is Melanie Hughes at Minc Law. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.